Hello, my name is Isaac, and today I'm going to present Depth First Search, also known as DFS. What is DFS and why is it useful? DFS is a way to explore a graph. A graph is a set of places called nodes and connections between them, called edges. DFS goes as far as possible along one route, and when it cannot continue, it goes back and tries the next option. We use DFS to list all the possible routes between two places, to check if something is reachable, and to help detect cycles. In our case, we use DFS to find all paths from a start place to destination. Now let's take a deeper look into what is DFS by taking a deeper explanation into the following code. First of all, I represented the city as a dictionary called graph. As you can see here, I named the different nodes park, mall, hospital, university, restaurant, bowling, same, and downtown. I randomly connected the nodes to each different node to create a full path. The start node that I chose was park and the end node that I chose was downtown. Then I created the function DFS, our path. What happens here? At the start of the function, the current node is added to the path so we can keep track of the route taken. If the current node is the destination, the function returns that path as one complete route. If not, I create an empty list called path to store all the possible routes found from this point. I then look at each neighbor connected to the current node. If that neighbor is not already in the path to avoid cycles, the function calls itself again. This is called recursion, and continues exploring deeper. Every time the recursive calls find new complete routes, they are added to the path list. When all neighbors have been explored, the function returns the full list of routes. Finally, I test the function by, as mentioned before, establishing the start node as park and the end node as downtown. The program prints the total number of possible routes and then lists each path in order. Now we're going to run the program to show all the possible paths. As you can see, the output shows every possible way to travel from park to downtown, like park, mall, university, downtown, and the final one being park, hospital, downtown. In total, the program finds 10 different routes. To summarize, my program uses Depth First Search to explore all the possible routes from one place to another in a city graph. The function works by adding each place to the current path, checking if we'd already reached the destination, and otherwise exploring all connected neighbors through the recursion. In the end, it returns every possible route without repeating nodes. This shows how DFS can be applied not only in route planning but also in solving mazes, analyzing social networks, and creating project dependency. Thank you for your time, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.